Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna, aka Mellow Snail, and today we're going to be making a DIY journal cover for my Hobonichi Techo A6, which is the little one from the family. And we're going to be recycling a bag that I purchased out of a thrift store, and I will be also showing you what I got on my journaling bag. So let's get started. I got this purse out of a thrift store. It was 75% off, so I only paid $2.49 plus tax. And I am going to deconstruct the purse so I can use the faux leather to make my DIY cover. I took the purse apart using this tiny little tool. It came apart so easy, and then I used this rolling cutter and got rid of all the edges that were ugly from the previous stitching of the purse. I got the Midori MD Note clear journal cover that perfectly fits the Hobonichi Techo A6. So I guide myself using that cover, marked all the points to measure exactly the piece of faux leather that I needed to cover the whole journal. I measured 6 inches by 8 inches, but at the end I ended up cutting just a tiny bit more, maybe like half an inch more, so that I could have a little extra over the journal just for more protection. As you can see, I made a hole right in the middle of the spine and then 2 little holes at the top and the bottom of where the spine is going to be. And I'm gonna add some charms on those. Then I made this flap using 2 eyelets and feed the elastic cord through it, and that's gonna hold the whole journal, notebook, and cover in place. I think the cover came out super cute. I also made a blue one and a beige one that I don't want to show you because it came out super bad, because I tried to sew it with my sewing machine that wasn't really working. So that's gonna have to be another video once I figure out how to fix my sewing machine. Now we put everything together, knowing you have to secure your journal and whatever else you're gonna put in there with elastic band as well. This tote bag might look very small, but it actually holds everything I like carrying around when I'm journaling. First thing you're gonna see is my Hobonichi cousin, which I love for my business, with this little charm that I made out of clay. Then I added a notebook that I got from Daiso. Then I added 2 plastic envelopes to the back and the front of the journal, just to hold little knickknacks, stickers, and things I'm planning to use. These medium sticker dots, I got them from Amazon, and they're really good for layering. They bring so much. I'll be using them for years. These little plastic journaling stencils, I got them from AliExpress, but then I made 2 more. Those are the last ones you see, using scrapbooking paper that I laminated, then cut it using my Cricut machine. I always carry around these 2 clips for holding the pages together. And as you can see, I have more little stickers on these little plastic envelopes. These are some of my daily spreads from the month of April. April was a very busy month, but it was very productive and I loved it because I was able to journal every single day. I broke my glasses the other day, hence the doodling of the broken glasses. I got these two little photo albums from Daiso. I added 2 eyelets and a little piece of elastic cord just to keep them closed and more secure. They are 2 for $1.75 and they are perfect to hold small sticker sheets like the ones from the Coffee Monster Co. I absolutely love Helen and the way that she designs her stickers for journaling. They absolutely capture every single moment that you can possibly represent on your journals. I also got these plastic pouch from Daiso. I put my mini photo printer there. I got the Kodak step and I also put the cable there in case it runs out of charge. As you can see, my collection of stickers is quite large and that's what you can see. Imagine what you cannot see that's on my drawers. I absolutely love using my sticker book right here because putting the stickers there is like I'm actually using the stickers without using the stickers. But yes, I am getting better at using stickers in my journal and everywhere I can possibly use them at. And another big collection I have is washi tapes. I got these PVC cards from Amazon. It is very satisfying organizing these washi tapes like this. Then I put them in another little pouch that I got from Daiso. Also put these 2 decoration tapes that I got from Temu and a few craft paper sticky notes because I like using that for making daily spreads. A glue tape runner, some printed pictures to decorate with, and my favorite Tombow Duo brush pens. I think I have about 16 colors there that I like, but I've been slowly getting them. I've been getting them for years actually, so I think I am very close to having the whole collection. But those are my favorite colors, including this beautiful blue that I love. My favorite mile liners, these Sigling color dots for bullet points. This is a perfect black using the Jelly Roll 8 white pen, a pair of tweezers, a metal ruler, my little scissors, cream correcting tape to match the color of the Hobonichi pages. And these are my favorite fountain pens that I carry with me all the time. And then I have all of my writing tools together in this pouch. I got my fountain pens there, at least my favorite ones. I've been going crazy with the fountain pens. But I also carry my Gel Plena gel pens, a mechanical pencil, my Jelly Roll number 8, as well as my black and brown Tombow Fudenosuke pens for titling and calligraphy. I got a Pilot Vanishing Point Decimal fine nib in pearl white, a Pilot Preta in ivory fine nib, a white Twist Beat Echo in medium nib, a Kaweco Sport Skyline extra fine nib in macchiato color, and a Kaweco Classic Sport green in fine nib. Well, that's it friends for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy watching what I have on my journaling bag, and I hope that you make your own journal cover. So please stay tuned, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.